friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Miele washing machine w1753. The model is w1753 and the customer's complaint is they are getting F20 error code. F as a foxtrot, number 20 error code, and that error code is communication problem between the water solenoid valve and main control board. F20 means communication problem between the solenoid valve or water valve and main control board, which is very common error code on these units. W1753, anytime you get problem with the water solenoid valve, it falls out on the display and you will have F20 error code. So today I will show you how to go through diagnostic and how to find the problem and fix it. So first of all, I'm going to show you the model and serial number on this unit. When you open the door, the model and serial number is right here. W1753, the serial number is also there. So I'm gonna close the door and I will go through diagnostic here. While the unit is in on position, you're gonna turn it off first, and then you want to make sure your door is closed, which I closed it already. See, I cannot open it. You're gonna press and hold the start and stop button with your finger, and at the same time, while you're holding this, you're gonna press the power button and release it, and you're gonna release it. The moment you release it, you're gonna see a very dim light here, only one flash that comes around the circle. When you see that light, right away you're gonna press this stop and start button 3 times, like 1, 2, 3, and then on the third time you're gonna hold it. So let's do this. Press the stop and start button, hold it, press the power, look, 1, 2, 3. When I saw that quickly, I pressed it 3 times and I'm holding this stop and start switch. So here you go. I'm on diagnostic now. From diagnostic, you can find your error codes. Press start again. It shows the ID number. You don't have to worry about that. Now we are gonna turn on this knob. See, when I turn it, it goes to the fault code. Each time you're pressing on the fault code, it shows your error codes here. The F53 is the carbon brushes. The carbon brushes are the part that's located on the at the bottom where the wash motor is. Your wash motor sits like this, and this is your carbon brush module. It has carbon brushes on the side, and I'll show you here. You see that tiny piece of brass looking? The carbon brushes are inside there. You got 2 of them on both sides, which is very common on Miele washing machines. After 2 or 3 years, I wouldn't say 2 years, I've seen it after 3 years. After 3 or 4 years, you're gonna have this F53 error code. In order to fix that, you have to order your carbon brush module and then replace it, and that will take care of the problem. I have a couple of videos for F53 and that's also not only the carbon brushes, there's also problem with control board, or there's also problem the way you're installing the carbon brushes on these models. And let's jump into the next error code. You press the start and stop button, it's gonna give you another error code. If there's any error code, each time you're pressing this, it's gonna show you that. So now we got F20 error code. F20 error code is water solenoid valve. If the washing machine is not filling with water, if it's not filling properly, or if it's overfilling, or the water does not shut off, it's gonna give you the F20 error code. So in order to fix this, what you can do is, the first thing you wanna do is, as a homeowner, you wanna get to the back of the washing machine, disconnect both of these. You need a plier, a pair of pliers. See the cold water, hot water. You want to open it and look at your screens. If your screens are not looking clean, they're dirty, you're going to clean it and then reinstall these back in. Hand tight, you're going to reinstall it back in with hand and then use a plier after. And if that's not the problem, you can check your water lines on your household water line to make sure they're in on position, because sometimes I go in customer houses, if there was a plumber and he was working on the house, on plumbing and then by mistake he turned it off. If the water is off, you're gonna have the F20 error code. It does not matter if it's cold or hot, you're gonna have that error code. So make sure you have good water. If you're not sure if it's working or not, what you can do is disconnect your water lines from the back of the washing machine, hold it in a sink or hold it in a bucket, and then turn it on to see how is the water pressure. If your water pressure is not good, you're gonna have F20 error code. If the water pressure is very low, you will have F20 error code. You check all of those, and if everything seems okay here, the house water is working, then you may want to call for service, or if you're a handy person, you can take the stop off by taking these tiny caps off. They're kind of like that. You peel it off and then you open these screws halfway. Do not pull it out completely. Take this top completely out and then check your water valves. When you're running the washing machine, put your hand on top of each of these valves or separately on top here. Put it on top here like that, and then feel the vibration. And then put it on the hot one. This is the hot. This is the cold. You're gonna put it on the hot, and feel the vibration, and on the cold, feel the vibration. If you're feeling the vibration, that means that it's not working. But if you don't feel vibration, then you may want to check your power on that. What you can do is sometime, if you have F20 error code and you clean your solenoid valves at the back, or your house water was off for some reason and you fix the problem, what you can do is you have to press it again. If there's more error code, it's going to show you, but you press it again. If there's no error code, that's the last one, clear fault code. You're going to press a start, it's going to clear the error code, and then you will be able to use your washing machine back again. Thank you.